Hey everybody, I hope I have the camera in the right angle. Anyway, I had Bridget and Brittany putting skins on the bottom, you know, from their paintings and stuff on these, on the smaller ones. So I have some skins, you know, but I bought these bigger ones because I thought, hey, how cool to have big ones to put on your refrigerator magnets. And so you can do the small ones. You can buy the small ones at the dollar store or the big ones. And then you put your skin on the bottom. And it comes out looking pretty. However, I noticed on these, they have glass rivages, like, so they're not really clear on the bottom. See how it's got that funny gathering of glass? That's how they attached whatever when they were blowing it, you know, they had their piece attached to these ends on the bottom. So that's not really going to be cool. That inside there, you can see it. So that blew that cool idea. I guess I'll have to use the small ones unless I can find a few in this bag that don't have those. But every one I looked at, I seen them in there. So that kind of blew that bubble. Anyway, this is the magnets I bought at Michael's. They're flexible magnets, and then you would just glue them to the back. So what I'm going to do is just pour over them instead. And once they dry, then of course I will pick them up, clean them up, you know, paint the bottoms, because only the tops are going to show. It doesn't matter what it's going to look like on the bottom anyway. And then I'll glue this to it and put some gloss on it, probably Mod Podge gloss, or maybe I'll use my polyacrylic or the spray I have. So, but this was for if you were going to do the skins on the bottom, the way they taught me, but I won't be using that for these. Anyway, I'm just going to use the ultramarine again because I still had a lot of that left. And I just love the darker colors. And I'm just going to add a tad bit of white. And I mean just a little. And then I'll show them to you in a couple days when they're dry or whenever. Probably tomorrow. Here we go. Let's move this. I'll go ahead and do it this way. Don't have to use a whole lot, because just the color to me is beautiful. There, that's got a pretty white little design on the top. That's good. Nothing special here, because they're so tiny. But I thought that would be neat. That one's neat. There we go. I like them. That's it. I suppose I could do another one, since I have some left. That ran out of the white. I kind of figured that was going to happen. Add just a little more white for some white swirl. Not too much. I'll leave that one alone. Don't want a good amount of white showing up on this one. That's it. Oh, that one's pretty. There we go. Maybe I'll do this one again. Kind of like it, the white now. There we go. Maybe I'll add a little more to this. Should have done this over a canvas. I'll do this one again. This one's kind of boring. Let's see what it looks like doing this. Then that one will be pretty. Okay. Maybe I'll do this one. So I am digging the white now in it. There. And maybe I'll do this one a little swirls again. Give it some cool look. There. I'll leave that one darker. Marine. Alright, so that's it. So I'm going to lift these up real carefully with like, isn't that pretty though? That's going to be pretty. So you can't really tell now, but you'll see tomorrow. And I'll have to put them on a level place. And then I'll take these right now, like this. And I'll take like a stick, which I usually do because the sticks seem to work well. Broken sticks, pick them up from underneath, and then lay them on something. Whoops, I just smudged that one. Well, it should drip. If I tilt it, it'll drip down that way. Yeah, that's okay. That's pretty though. Can you see it? That's going to be pretty. Put some more paint right here because I smudged it. Okay, there. And then just lay it in a different spot so it's not so thick. You know? That. That one's sliding. Yep, we're going to be pretty. I kind of just like plain stuff too. This one's real pretty. Oh, there went my light. Just in time. Okay. So that's me pouring on rocks. But I think we'll have fun looking at these tomorrow. That's for sure. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good evening or a good day. Bye-bye now.